My best friend. Everyone needs a best friend in life, and I am lucky to have one. My best friend's name is Gunjan. She is kind, caring, and always makes me happy. Gunjan and I have been friends since we were little. We study in the same class and sit together in school. She is very good at drawing and often helps me with my homework. We share our lunch during recess, and she always brings delicious food. Gunjan has a cheerful personality and loves to help others. Whenever I feel sad or upset, she knows how to cheer me up with her funny jokes and stories. She always encourages me to try new things and never gives up on me when I face difficulties. We enjoy playing outdoor games like badminton and skipping. On weekends, we spend time reading storybooks and watching cartoons. She also loves to cook, and we have fun making snacks together. Gunjan is honest and trustworthy. I can share all my secrets with her, and I know she will never let me down. She always stands by me, whether it is during a tough time at school or in life. I feel lucky to have Gunjan as my best friend. She is like a sister to me, and I hope our friendship lasts forever. A good friend like Gunjan is a treasure, and I am grateful for her presence in my life.